Now, in this video, let's look at this question where we are asked to determine the upper limit of this definite integral, which has been evaluated as -4/3. So we are asked to determine what the upper limit of this definite integral is going to be. Now, p is supposed to be an integer. So let's attempt this. So let's integrate it. Now, if we go ahead to integrate, we're going to have now let's substitute the upper limit. Minus substituting the lower limit. And when we evaluate this definite integral, the question provides that we have -4/3. So let's simplify this expression over here. So if we simplify further, we're going to get now this part of the fractions will give us 1/6, then -4/3. Now let's clear the fractions by multiplying through by 6. So we're going to have a cubic polynomial. Now, in factorizing this polynomial, we're going to apply the factor theorem. So we're going to get the factors so p minus 3 is 0, or we're going to have 2p squared minus 3p is equal to 0. So from this factor, p is equal to 3. So what are the factors that we're going to get for p for this factor? Let's apply the quadratic formula to determine the values of p for which this expression is true. So our quadratic formula to guide us so from the equation, a is 2 and c is -3. So when we are to do the substitution, we're going to have so -3 squared is 9. So -4 times 2 times -3 is +24. And 2 times 2 is 4. So we're going to have 3 plus or minus root of 33 over 4. So we're going to have 3 plus root of 33 over 4, or 3 minus root 33 over 4. So in this expression, we have P is either equal to 3 plus or P is equal to 3 minus over 4. So our cubic polynomial would have 3 values of P. P is equal to 3, P is equal to 3 plus root 33 over 4, or P is equal to 3 minus root 33 over 4. But in our question, P is an integer. So of the 3 values of P, the only integer is 3. So the answer to our question is P is equal to 3. So the definite integral would have the upper limit of 3. We should take note that an integer is a positive or negative whole number, including 0. So it means that if we have the function x squared minus 3x plus 1, and we integrate it with the definite integrals of 1 and 3, and we are to evaluate, we're going to get negative 4 over 3. So 3 is our answer. And that is the end of my video. Thank you very much for watching, but keep watching.